All right. all right, YouTube fam. Welcome back. Let me just fire up Zoom. We got Goldie pumping. Goldie pumping. Let me get Zoom in here. Let me close them blinds. Got the sun in my eyes. We got Goldie pushing up beautifully here. Let me just close the blinds. Oh wow, I'm about to take profit on gold. All right. There we go. All right, what's going on, everyone? 14 ticks of the pump. Nice, yeah, I just closed 90% right there. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yeah, just took these gold buys here. Let me just show you guys this. Pretty much been waiting for this for all of the Asian session. Gold buys up into this liquidity. Huge push. Break even. I just closed. I just locked in about $1,000, and now I'm gonna let the rest run. All right, cool. All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. There you go. There's the pump on Goldie. Coming for all the liquidity now. This is the whole move in Asia we waited for. Good job if you guys got it. It's a very clean move. We get rid of this. Huge. Welcome back, Zoom guys. What's going on? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. You're still gonna get a breakout on gold, and still got room for much more. You know, you're still gonna get breakout of here, and you still got buys all the way up into here as well. I just got the longs. Where's my entry? 96.67. It's just around 96.67. About down here. Around there. When she's 15, start grabbing the lows, re-breaking highs. Good morning, bro. Good morning, man. Good morning, everyone. What time is it? 53. Alright, cool. Let everyone join in. Let this hourly close here on gold. See if we're gonna get this nice breakout to continue buying for the rest of London. Yeah, right before 30 minutes, yeah. That's the thing, London does start getting pretty active around like 5:30 to 6 a.m. London time. You actually start getting some pretty decent moves around then. Well, has been recently anyway. Gonna be doing a halfway through the stream. We'll be doing a 50k top step combine giveaway as well today. You guys on Zoom will be able to enter as well. We'll do that once we got everyone in. Look at this pump on Goldie. Look at this. What a push. Big push. Literally broke out, grabbed the lows, reflip bullish. 70 ticks. 70 ticks right there. Yeah, gold. You can trade gold on top step. Absolutely. Absolutely. Let me log in. Gold futures. Yeah, you still got much more room to come on, guys. So we'll just wait for this hourly close, and then see if we can get it. See if we can get more of it. Yeah, I wasn't. Yeah, I didn't check the 30. 30 was 30. 30 kind of did leave a little morning star, but yeah, it was a very quick bottom wick. I just loved these highs. I was trying to get these highs even here. Took the break even there. But yeah, once this 15 broke out here, once this grabbed the lows and started pushing up, I just got in around here, and then locked it in. Where are we? Here. Locked in about 930, and still got some running as well. Still got 300 plus running. See this hourly close. How long we got? 4 minutes. We'll let everyone join in, and we'll start breaking it all down. Caught some move on gold. Yeah, good man, good man. As long as you got some of it, it's good. It's good, it's good. I waited all Asia for that. You had clear targets as well. You had like 3 liquidity levels here, and then these ones over all here as well. Nice, smart, got a 30 flip, very nice. We just have a quick look at the news today. Quick look at the news. ADP non-farm employment changes, unemployment claims, and then PMI as well. So pretty big day today on gold. Pretty big day on gold. You know, I think I like about these gold buys that I've been liking for the whole entire week is the fact that, where are we? You had this major trend line coming down here. Huge trend line coming down here on gold. Majority of people jump in shorts here. Where's their stop? Above this high. So anyone who's still short on gold, their stop loss is going to be above this perfect double top. And that's the reason we want to be buying gold. Buying gold into where most people are trying to sell, and that's all the way up there. So still got some room for some more upside here on gold. Major liquidity level. Sorry, I got rid of it. Major liquidity level is this 4-hour double top. So we're gonna get this breakout here, break back above this level, bottom wick on the next hour, and we still do have longs. So 45 seconds here on gold, we get bottom wick, and we're gonna look for some longs. We are gonna look for some longs. Bring up ICT today. Probably where could you tap into? Maybe here's a pretty decent level. So a quick bottom wick on this next few candles here on gold, and we could have some nice longs. Could have some nice longs. Everything is ICT. In his world it is, yeah. In the cult world. So you got a decent bottom wick here on gold. Now where's our overall liquidity level? Is that the first one? No, where's the first one? Where's my level just gone? Here. Oh, you did just grab it. Oh, you did. That was the first level I was watching. You did just grab. I still think you're gonna get more upside here on gold. You did just grab that little level though. So the owlie's broken out. Let's see if we can get this dip lower before we look for longs up into here, because you still have this amazing 60 plus tick range. 30-minute here on gold. So it's the first time we had a decent breakout this morning, so we can see this flip bullish. Where's the level that we would be managing? Probably around here. You don't want to start managing the trade. If we can get this, continuation. 15-ish ticks. That was a very, very, very nice owlie close though. Owlie breaking out that beautiful range, coming down for an instant bottom wick. See if this 5-minute can come and grab some lows. Come down, maybe wick some lows, and then great. We can get a valid stop and we can look for the longs. Otherwise, if we take the flip of the 30 right now, stop's going to have to be a bit too big. Four-hour looking crazy. Yeah, huge push. Well, that was that perfect 4-hour double top. 2 equal highs. Everyone jumps in shorts here. Stops above that high. So this high here was the first liquidity level. That was the first liquidity level. Gas, let me say I shouldn't be annoyed. You can't win with them. You can't win. Let's see, come down, wick some lows, and then we could be looking for a nice breakout here on Goldie. That is a beautiful push. Actually, let me just see. Yeah, I'd be looking to play it up into, yeah, at least that area. Which is then, if you come into here, you're also just going to tap into that area. So this Audi flips bullish. Yeah, it's a pretty decent 30 plus tick range. So that flips, you know, you can probably manage off wherever. Ideally, we grab some lows, then we can put stops below there. So if you grab some lows, you can take the flip of this, risk off wherever that low is going to be, and you're trying to get that continuation to there. And then yes, NFP tomorrow as well. NFP tomorrow. Last Friday, NFP day, we had some amazing scalps in London. Do you just grab some lows? Let's see. I would like a little bit more of a bottom wick. A little bit more. So we can get a decent stop. Because if you try and buy it here, where you could easily come back down and retest this level before flipping. Instant top wick on this current 5. So, because this is an instant top wick on this current 5, if this 5 can wick back down, grab some lows, maybe even retest that 2500 level, that would be a great place to buy. Where's that on here? 2500. Catch the big move now. Yeah, nice. Good job, man. There's a very nice push. I still got some. I got a small runner gun here as well. I gave that trade like three chances today. I gave them buys 3 chances. And it was sure as hell worth it. $15's reflip and bullish there on Goldie. No bottom wick on the 5, just open it and just push them. But the 15 is flipping bullish. So if you're in on the 15, you can just have your stop below the 15 low. As soon as it starts pushing up, if it doesn't close above, then you can manage. If I want to re-enter more longs, I want to re-enter down here. But this 15 flip is definitely valid. So if you want it, it's already there. Currently in a Brisbane area, man. Brisbane area. I'm not in this one here, guys. I'm waiting for it to come back down here. I'll show you guys when we get back in. Because the 5, this current 5 just opened and instantly pushed up. I want this to come down, wick some of the lows, and then push. Just so you can get just so you can get a better stop. Otherwise, if you take the 15 flip, yeah, your stops have to be quite large. And let's have a look at the daily here on gold. We just jumped straight in just because we're getting so much movement. But daily here on gold. Yesterday, wicked out previous day lows, held this major daily support. This is why I said I'm not selling gold. I haven't taken a single sell position on gold this week. And this is the whole reason why. Haven't grabbed any of the daily highs. But now you are. Now you're wicking back up. You're grabbing previous daily highs. And I think you could maybe see gold tap up, back up into these regions before pulling back a little bit more. So I'm bullish on gold all the way up into like 2507-ish. 2507. Which is that area here as well. That perfect double top. Hey bro, what's going on, man? But yeah, it looks, gold looks so clean when you look at it on the hourly. This is why these buys have been so nice. Delete all this crap off for a second. This is what I have on my chart lower. Massive trend line coming down here. People short here. Where's their stops? Above this perfect double top. Perfect double top. Perfect double top, which is also the second touch of the trend line. So if you took a ice cream trader, you took this 15 flip, you want to be break even here. You're currently running up what, about 10 ticks, but be break even because this could still pull back. There's also the hourly flipping bullish as well. All-time high. All-time high is ages away, man. Why are you trying to think so far ahead? Just trade what you're seeing right now. Why are you worrying about something that's 300 ticks away? I mean, unless you're swing trader, maybe, but I'm not. We're day trading. Trade what you see. Don't worry about what could happen. If you're in longs and you're running nicely, great. Goldie's still pushing here. Running big push. Big push. Look at that 15 flip, about to tap straight back into that zone. If you guys took that, well done. It's a instant 25 ticks. What's my runners here hitting on gold? This is huge. 70 ticks. 70 ticks. Look at that. What an absolutely insane push. There you go. About to hit straight into that zone here. Is that hourly zone? 5 minute on gold. Again, no bottom wicks on the 5s. 15 though. Had the cleanest move. Also, where are we? Wrong chart. Also, hourly, reflip and bullish. Bottom wick. Didn't have to be very much. Broke above, bottom wick and pushing higher. I'm going to close my runner here in a second. We're going to grab these 4-hour highs before news. That'd be crazy. Crazy. What a push. Straight into that level. I'm about to close this runner. Where are we at? 80 ticks. That's right. I'm closing that. All right, there you go. I just closed my last runner there on gold. 1400 on the day. What a push! What a push! There you go. 1400 a day. I'll take that. Plans to leave runners. Yeah, always got to hold some runners, man. Especially when there's so many upside targets and the trader's pushing with crazy volume. There's no reason to close this out too early. You know, you want to lock it in as soon as you come into these were our liquidity levels here. As soon as you start grabbing these, yeah, close like 80% of your trade. But then if you still have just clean targets much higher, like this perfect 4-hour double top, it's like, yeah, there's no reason to not hold something. That's a crazy push. tick runner, what a push. Literally, whole entire trade. I got it from down here. 15 grabbed the lows, rebroke the highs with a perfect double top, Started re-breaking some highs. Literally just getting here. Risk off that low. There's your trade. Yeah, liquidity grab. You finally had some volume. Broke back above this little level here. Broke back above. Retested. Liquidity grab. And then just straight push. Absolutely insane push. Insane. Gold bearish bias bearish? What do you mean? Gold's pushing. But yeah, so as far as always, 15's just closed, still closed bullish. You're getting an instant bottom wick here again, but remember, you're now coming into, and this is the reason I've just secured my runner, into here. So, although we do have this perfect double top here, perfect double top there, we are coming into that major hourly resistance. And you know, you can leave a lot of liquidity until the news comes in. 15 flip pre-London 96.86. I think that sounds about right. Let me show you. My entry was 96.67. 96.67. So 1,500 on that trade, 1,500. I waited all day for that trade though. I must have given that trade about 3 different chances. I had longs initially from here that got taken at break even, from here that got taken at break even, and then no, sorry, I think it was this one I had earlier. Had it earlier once it was re-breaking these highs from here. You got taken at break even on that one, so just set an alert here, an alert above there. The alerts went down at this level. Boom, grabs lows, breaks out. Cool. I'll do the giveaway in about 30 minutes or so. Took the same, by the way. Yeah, good man. Yeah, good job. It was beautiful. How many pips you still have into them highs? Still got about 36 into them highs though, which is still nice. Anyone short in here on gold is about to get ripped. Crazy, it's the most volume I've seen in London in a long time. Bad day to be bearish on gold, yeah, that's for sure. You don't trade New York Open? Is that a question or is that a statement? Are you asking if I trade New York, or are you saying I don't trade New York? What do you mean? You don't trade New York. Is that you asking, do I trade New York? But do I stream New York Open? Nah, we do pre-New York market calls every day in Discord. But no, I don't stream New York. Let's stream London. Do you trade or not? You can go in the waiting room for that bad attitude. That's where you can go. 10 minutes. 10 minutes to think about that attitude on a Thursday morning. Do you trade or not? Nah, I don't trade. I just sit here and watch the candles. People getting wild. I know, man. I know. If you re-break this high here, still got another 20 ticks up into them highs. I think that 15 is probably the easiest one. But if you re-break that, you could also continue pushing. You got 9 minutes till the 30 is going to close as well. Anyone who's still in short or loading up sells, they're going to have some beautiful stops above these levels. Beautiful stops are going to be above them highs on gold. So for me, there's still a high chance that you rip these highs. I've been talking about these highs since this whole entire week. I didn't short any of this move down, didn't short any of this move down, all because of this major liquidity. And now you are coming back for all of it. Been waiting for that since what, Tuesday? Win rate increase, they're trading gold and Nasdaq. I do prefer gold personally. To me, it's more consistent. I have more consistency in gold personally. I mean, I know a lot of people who do trade Nasdaq very well, but yeah, for me personally, yeah, I prefer gold. I like gold because it just moves well in my time zones as well. Like you did. Look at that 5 minute grab the lows, reflip bullish, now pushing up. That was a pretty nice little continuation liquidity grab there. What did that give you? Yeah, 20 right there. Took the 5 flip for 13. Yeah, nice. Good man. Good man. 13's good, man. Let me see. You're going to get these pushing back high, re-breaking the highs again on gold. How long we got to this 30 close? 8 minutes. Explain today's trade. Yep, today's trade. These were our, just in case I miss it, these were our liquidity levels today from the Asian session here and here. So I've been waiting for these buys all day. I actually tried to get longs earlier from down here, but then came back down, then pushed up, came all the way back down. So pretty much as soon as I see that, that's going to be a level where people are going to short from here. Stops are going to be above that high. So as soon as you pull back, grab some lows, and then reclose back above, great. You have amazing longs. So for me on gold, once you grab the 15 lows after it broke back bullish, and the 30-minute closed pretty much with a nice doji candle, liquidity grab, overall liquidity grab, gold's still pushing here. That right there. Getting longs from around there. Targets here, here, and then overall here. So close about 90% here at around 39.40, and then close the rest around 70 ticks. But yeah, all based off clear targets and volume. That's all it was. Got 15. Yeah, nice work, Chris. Good job, man. 15's good. 15's good. Yeah, most come back to gold. Yeah, I've done that before, man. Yeah. 40 ticks for me. Good job, Mike. That's good, man. 40 ticks is amazing, man. Well done. 40 ticks is awesome. Still pushing here on gold. Let me get rid of this alert. But yeah, like I said, I've been waiting for these longs all week. All week I've been waiting for these longs. I didn't short any of this move down. Didn't short any of this move down. Didn't get this move back up. Tried to get this move yesterday, but I didn't stay up for the news. And I almost got chopped up in here, but didn't get anything. But these buys were lovely here as well. These were really nice buys because we also had this London liquidity level here. What did you not do in London before this whole push down? You never grabbed the highs. So there's your liquidity level. That's what we spoke about in Discord as well. So as soon as you re-break back above This is the area that I shared in Discord yesterday. Once you break above, come back down. There's your liquidity grab. You take buys from here up into there. Great, literally the exact same trade. So New York buys yesterday up into that liquidity was also a very, very easy trade. 120 ticks. Huge. There's your 4-hour fake out. Came back down, held the support, grabbed the lows, and then just ripped. It was a big, big news trade. All up into all of these liquidity levels. We've shared all of them before. And I've said every single day this week, I'm not taking any sells on gold because you have liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. We've now ripped all of it. Why didn't I wait for 2491.6 all the way down here? That's ages away. I'm not worried about what's down here or what's down here. If gold's breaking out, just trade it. Don't trade what you think. If you think gold can, where did you have? You had 2491.6, 2491.6. That liquidity level. I mean, you can think that's the level that's going to be grabbed, but we're not here to trade what we think. If gold grabs some lows and breaks out, I just trade what I see. Regardless if I think gold can come down here. If gold's breaking out here, would I not take buys here because I think it can come down there? Absolutely not. You got to trade what you see. Trade what you see, man, not what you think. Regardless of if you think gold can come all the way down here, it doesn't really matter what we think. Gold's grabbing lows and breaking out. Trade it. If we then start breaking back below there, cool. Then you can worry about that level. But as long as you hold this support, don't worry about this level. React to what you're seeing. Be reactive, don't be predictive. Because that would definitely, you know, I agree. You could have looked at that level as a liquidity that needed to be grabbed. I agree. That's not a bad thought process. But my thought process is, as soon as you grab these lows and close back above, I'll take longs. If we reclose back below, cool, I'll close my longs and maybe even look for shorts. That's also fine. But you want to trade what you see, not what you think. It's the reason most people fail is they're always thinking too much. Don't think, just react. The markets are grabbing lows, breaking out, just go long. You could have literally just gone long here, grab the lows. This one closed bullish. This was probably the best entry candle so far today. You grab lows, you've broken out with good volume. Buys from here to here. That was your best trade. This candle here gave the liquidity grab, gave the volume, and gave the breakout. So there's your confirmation candle. There's your entry candle. So literally there to there, 70, 80 ticks. Incredible. Just closed for 82 off the work. Yeah, good job. Well done, man. Well done. React, don't predict. Exactly. That's the thing. Everyone's always focused on trying to predict the markets and trading what they think all the time as opposed to just trade what you see. Doesn't matter what you think is going to happen. The market's going to do whatever they want. Your job isn't to fight the markets or predict the markets. Your job is simply to wait for the markets to move and just ride the wave. It's very simple. Everyone in the beginning, myself included, is always so focused on trying to be right all the time. Whereas for me now, I don't care if gold's going to go up or down. If we break bullish to the upside and we've grabbed some lows and I have clear targets, cool, I'll go long. If we rip to the downside with volume, grab some highs and I've got reasons to go short, cool, I'll go short. I don't care. I never care which way the market's going to go. I just wait for the volume to come in and ride that damn wave. I wouldn't look for any sells until you grab these 4-hour highs and start closing aggressively bearish. React, don't predict. Absolutely, man. Write that down. Stick that on the side of your screen. Don't react, predict. What did this... If you took the break of these 15 highs, you're currently up about 12. You'd probably want to break even. You're about to hit 20. Huge push. This is probably the best push in London I've seen in a long time. I was Kind of lucky I was on it so early. Came in at about 6:30. I don't usually watch the charts then, but yeah, I was on the charts, saw it and took it. Yeah, we'll do the giveaway. Yeah, about half an hour. We'll do it at 8 a.m. London time. Once everyone's in, we'll do the giveaway. What's that? 15, 16 ticks. Gonna be doing the Lambo giveaway. Giveaway a 50k combine on Top Step. Top Step 50k combine giveaway. You guys on Zoom can be in it as well, absolutely. So this 15 flip is giving you 50 ticks. The rebreak of this high has also given you 16 ticks. Absolutely huge. Express funded. Yeah, I wish I had an express funded to give away. Anyone who's still in these shorts on gold, stops are going to be above that high. They're going to see this push down and think jackpot. But to me, there's a high chance you're going to rip these highs here. $30 just closed as well, so you're getting a instant bottom wick on the 30, which is good. That's what you want to see. The combine is basically the challenge, and the express is when you're funded. The one from Discord yesterday was once gold broke back above this level and faked out on the 4 hour. Here, broke above 4 hour, massive fake out. Bottom wick, respected the lows, and then pushed up into London liquidity levels here. So that 4 hour flip into London liquidity levels was about 100 ticks. Which is absolutely huge. Absolutely huge. So that 15 flip, if you guys took it, you probably would have hit, what would you have hit? You would have hit about 13, 14. You don't want to be break even there because the 30 is going to create a bottom wick. Still hasn't fully grabbed the highs yet. Still hasn't fully grabbed them. What time is it? 32. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds. I'm going to grab my water and we'll see what the rest of London brings. 2 seconds. Mike, it's around I don't know, about 200 and something, I think, man. About around the 200s. Man, I'm so blessed for this channel. My trading has really improved. Thanks, bro. Good job, Alex. It's awesome to hear, man. That's what we love to hear. Still take swing trades on gold? Nah, not really, to be honest. I haven't in a while. I did back in end of... is that last year now? Or towards the start of the year? When did we go? Yeah, maybe even last year now. Nah, not in a while. Not in a while. Nah, I'm not looking for longs here now. You get long here on gold, you're buying gold at resistance. No. Happy September. Hey Corey, what's going on, man? Unless the 5 minute starts to break back above again and you can get a valid stop. Maybe. You know, if you all of a sudden this fakes out and closes bullish and gives you a bottom wick and it gives you a worthwhile entry, you know, of at least 20 ticks, maybe, but you know, if you were to close back above here, from here to here, it's like 12, 13 ticks. Gold's already ripped 110 ticks today. So to try and squeeze out another 10, if you miss this move up here, nah, that's not my trade. Not my trade. I grabbed all of this. Remember, guys, all these liquidity levels were shared before. You guys know that you knew the direction today. You just got to execute it. Don't wait for me to tell you when to buy and sell. Just, you see it, just execute it. Nah, not yet, Corey, not yet, man. We'll do the giveaway soon. Guys, changing lives. Thank you, man. Videos are really helpful. Awesome, man. Good to hear. That's what we like to hear. How's the 30 looking? Previous 30 was still nice and strong though. Still very, very strong. You know, the only reason I wouldn't take this 30 flip is because your liquidity level's here. So if you want to be a buyer on gold, you'd be a buyer at the support, or if you come back down to this level, great. Then I'd look to be a buyer again. Yeah, I did, Corey. Yeah, I got it, man. I got it from down here, around 6:30 London. Had that on my charts. Yeah, you kind of see here, it's kind of reacted perfectly. You created that perfect double top. And yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if you just see this now just push down, creates so much liquidity up there, and then just news sends it much higher and rips the highs. It's possible. Yeah, I pumped the markets before we jumped on. Yeah, look at that hourly resistance. It's absolutely huge. Regardless of if we think these highs are going to get grabbed, I'm confident they will, but if I want to buy up into these needing to be grabbed, where am I buying from? Am I buying at the resistance? Hell no. I'll buy at the previous level that's been broken out of. So maybe below these previous current hourly lows or down here, I'll be a buyer. Up here? No. You want to be a buyer down here, here, and that's it. Unless you can, you get a 5 minute fake out and you can get a risk reward that makes sense. It's the only other way you can get it. Like this one was nice here. You guys on Zoom, this is our liquidity continuation strategy. Grab the lows, reflip back bullish. Well, there's your long, there's your stop. There's your 30 ticks. There's your 30 ticks. There's your 1 to 2 risk reward for the day. Pretty easy trade. Might range for news. Yeah, maybe. No reason to think so just yet. I mean, if this hourly close is bearish. How long you got? 20 minutes. Yeah, the hourly close bearish. You could potentially look for pullbacks. Like I say, you could respect this resistance until news. Maybe you could still, you know, what, pull back down to this level. Still 35 ticks. Maybe a 15-minute fake out, and you could consider sells top wick to come down and grab some lows. You know, something like that. Could be a little short. Hey, Brad. Yeah, I got the buyers, man. Yep. I got the longs from like down here, around here, man. Appreciate you for all your knowledge, man. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, see how this 15 closes in 3 minutes. If it does fake out, yeah, top wick, and you could maybe pull it back into these regions. Kind of risky because you have pushed up so much today. Futures course. Yeah, it's the exact same thing, man. Yep. No, just one day. Yeah, futures forex, exactly the same plan, man. Does the exact same things. Follows the exact same technicals, absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, it's going to be a big one today. It's going to be a big one. So 15 closes like this, you may... I'm not going to trade it, I'm not trading against this, but you may see something like this. Bitcoin 5-minute analysis? What about it? What about Bitcoin 5-minute analysis? Giveaway? No, not yet, man. Not yet. We'll do it about 20 minutes. We'll do it at the hourly close. We'll do it 8 a.m. London time. It was a good one, bro, wasn't it? Painful. No. Can you do Bitcoin 5-minute analysis, please? Just Bitcoin 5-minute analysis. The fuck do I look like? Fucking painful. I don't know how we'll do the giveaway, but we'll do it. Actually, we'll do it when. There we go. Yeah, it's a good way to do it, man. Yeah, absolutely. You got it, Sean. Absolutely, man. Sounds like a deal. 100. It'd be nice. I don't see why not. What have we got? Where are we? Nah, it's just 1 month. 1 month.
Mark on Zoom, or is he just creeping in the YouTube chat?
Mark just likes to creep on the YouTube chat. He's always in the background lurking. He's always looking for them secret signals. 60 already. Yeah, we get 60 may have been too little. 100. Push 100. So now we have a decent fake out on the 15. You did actually grab the lows and didn't close below. If we get a 15 fake out back above this level, then great. Then I would take more longs, and then we can risk off this liquidity low. So you'd risk about 22 minimum up into these highs, about 30. So not the biggest risk would drop down to 5. But if you get now a 15-minute closure back above this level, you got buys back up into here, and that's still a nice range. 170 people, 100 easy. All right, 100 it is. Yeah, he's not liking it because I'm gonna give him a 5-minute Bitcoin analysis, sir. Or what we may actually see is if this hourly respects this resistance, you may see the next hourly come down, bottom wick, grab the lows, and then I'll take longs from down there. I'd look for longs below this hourly low. Unless the 15 closes back above, I'll look for longs below that low. Because, you know, the next hourly could easily look something like that. Where, let's get these beautiful, beautiful drawings on here. Where it could come down, wick the previous hourly lows, and then see if you can get the push. Always like your video on stream. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. We'll do the ATM. Absolutely is. They're all creeping in the background. For signals. There's no financial advice here, sir. Wrong stream. So yeah, our next buys are going to be look for long setups below this hourly low, or 15 close back above this level, and I'll take another entry. No, I don't trade London, man. No, I don't. I never trade London. I've never traded it before. I know, must have a channel, I know. Oh, good question. From all your travels, where would you want to go again just to relax and not work? Oh, that's a
Times Beach we run.
Yeah, that's a shout. That's a very good shout. It's one of the best spots ever. That's a tough one. Yeah, it depends what I'm feeling. But yeah, probably Bali or something. Or to be honest, even Australia, if it wasn't for trading work, just to chill here. There's so much to see and do. Good weather all the time. Or Europe as well. It's hard to say, man. Yeah, New Zealand. That's what came to mind as well. Depends how I'm feeling. South Africa. Nah, I've never been to South Africa, man. I would like to though. I would like to. Yeah, what time did it? Yeah, it came about 6:30. Yeah, typical. Oh yeah, I would like to go to South Africa though at some point, definitely. So you kind of see here this 15. The reason I'm not short in this top wick on the 15 is because you wicked out the 15 lows, never really closed below, and now you're trying to push back higher. So I really would love to see this 15 fake out back above this, respect this level, and then that would actually be a worthwhile range. That'd be a 30 tick range minimum. You're not just going to tap into these highs and drop. You're going to spike these out more. So that's a minimum. Try Serbia. Yeah, Serbia would be cool. Yeah. Maldives. Yeah. Expensive. Yeah. Australia expensive. Yeah, it can be. Yeah, it definitely can be. Switzerland. Yeah, I'd love to. I'd love to see Switzerland more. Definitely. Little 5-minute morning star here on gold. 5-minute morning star. Grab the 15 lows. Close bullish into an instant bottom wick. If the 15 didn't close so bearish, I would consider that. But you're also going to get the hourly close soon, so you may as well just wait. Yeah, maybe. Nah. I think Mark has to go in timeout. Yeah, man. 20 ticks a day while traveling, 100%. Even 20 ticks 2 to 3 times a week is amazing. Do that consistently, it's great. Trade all quarters of the year. Yeah, I trade all of them, man. Yep. August is usually my quietest month, to be honest, where I take it a bit easy. But August has been, August has been amazing. August was a great month. Payout on the funded, over 10,000 on the personal. Yeah, August was a great month. And that was whilst I was in Europe as well. Minute trying to break out here. This 15 could be really nice for us. If this 15 does fake out, that means the hourly will actually be closed nice and strong, which is great. Come up, regrab the hourly highs, tap into this liquidity. Beautiful. I just prefer the freedom of trading on personal, man. I still trade on top step as well. Still got the top step. But it's great for getting good, getting good at trading, getting the strategy down. You know, take some money out. Still, like I say, still take a payout every month or every other month from funded accounts. But yeah, personal is my focus. Trying to grow that as much as I can. Look at this 50. This 15 could be really nice. Yeah, it is, Scott. Yeah, just for holding runners. And be able to have buy and sells, but I want to hear what happens with the whole the reason I had, and if I could have a personal futures that I could have in AUD, it would be great, because every time you deposit and withdraw, you get annoying exchange rate fees every single time. No, I've not heard that, Chris. No, it's crazy. I did hear that someone broke the record for the biggest payout, though. I did hear that. I haven't heard people not getting paid out. It's pretty crazy. We want to visit Shanghai. Yeah, that'd be awesome, man. Yeah, I've never been there. Shanghai would be cool, yeah. Shanghai would be amazing. I flew into Shanghai when I came back from Europe this time, but I didn't get to go out and do anything. But yeah, Shanghai looks incredible. Looks absolutely incredible. Look at that, looks beautiful. Such a crazy place. Even Japan would be cool as well. China and Japan, both of them would be awesome. Also over to Taiwan for it. Yeah, nice, Harry. Yeah, nice. Yeah, that'd be cool, man. That'd be cool. 15 fake out in 5 minutes here, guys. We may have some more longs. Ever been to Philippines? Nah, never. I haven't actually. Yeah, good luck, Sean. Yeah, you have to let me know how it goes, man. When I was in the airport, I couldn't do anything, but I don't know if... I assume it's probably just because it's in the airport. I literally couldn't get on anything. Would love to visit London during Christmas time. Yeah, it's nice for a little holiday. Nice for a little holiday, I guess. winter market, stuff like that. I think Europe is probably a bit nicer, but given I came from the UK, it's probably a bit biased. My favorite preferred session is London, man. London's my favorite. London gives me the cleanest of opportunities with the nicest, most of the time, nicest volume. But to be honest, Asia over the past like month has probably had more opportunities. Monday we had a great trade on London on stream. Wednesday I think we had a 5-tick loss, and then today we've just ripped pre-London. 6:30 we had a big rip. Yup, can't give away today, man. Absolutely. I live in Thailand, been there for 3 years. Yeah, awesome, man. Yeah, Thailand's amazing. That's awesome, man. We'll do the giveaway at about 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yeah, Asia's awesome. For the first time, it's awesome. I remember the first time I went to Thailand, it was amazing. It was awesome. That's the thing, man. When you stay out of the annoying tourist areas, I mean, you go do it once, but once you stay out of them areas, you realize how beautiful it is. How's this owlie looking? Yeah, still closing bullish. Still closing bullish. $15's not going to close above just yet, so it makes me think this hourly open could maybe bottom wick a little bit more. Look at this 30 though, still rejecting. Holding pretty nicely. Join the next retreat, yeah, absolutely, man. Yep. You don't have to be profitable to join the retreats though. Hopefully it's a place to get you to being profitable. It's just like, you know, people spend all this money going to trading boot camps where you can come and trade with us for a week on the trade and retreat for a fraction of the price of what these people charge to go on a boot camp. I don't know how we're going to do the giveaway. How are we going to do the giveaway? I may just have to get you guys, when we do the giveaway, maybe just to post, and I'll just post a comment. I'll just pick a random one. Otherwise I don't know how else to do it. And I have to message you privately. Well, I've got wait, where is it? Yeah, so I've got potentially giveaways for the next 4 months, leading up to December, September, October, November, December. Yeah, so I've got potentially 50k giveaway every single month for the next 4 months. Name's done with A. Actually, I know how we'll do it. Let me just make a quick little, very, very basic one. I should have done this before. Let me just do this quickly. Nah, no, not that. I know. Don't want to miss gold, but I'm just setting this up here, and then I'll post this. Let's do this. All right. Let me get the link. All right, here it is. We'll do it here, and I'll pick it at random. I'll give you guys about. Just fill it in once. If I pick your name and you fill it out multiple times, I'll choose someone else. So just do it. Just do it once. I'll give it about 10 minutes, and then I'll do it completely random. I think it's the fairest way to do it. So gold hourly closed bullish into an instant bottom wick here on gold. An instant bottom wick. What's the 5 minute doing? The 5 minutes coming down, grabbing some lows. I don't want to miss this either.
I was thinking of taking the flip if it does.
Yeah, I think we could. Did the 15 close above? Yeah, it kind of did actually. If this 15 can reflip back bullish, we could look for some longs here on gold. Maybe even on the 5 minute. 5 minutes currently grabbing some lows. I mean, buying it now into it needing to create a top wick isn't even a bad shout. I think the flip would be safer. Let's see. Yeah, it's teasing with them highs. I mean, now if you buy it now, it's gonna, you know, if you buy it now into it needing to create a top wick, well, you're gonna at least need to re-grab these highs. So as soon as you grab these highs, you can look to go break even as well. I don't know if you've entered. Well, we got 66 people. 66 people who have entered so far, which is awesome. 69 people. Remember, just do one intro. Give it a couple more minutes. Wait, where is it? I'll pin it so we don't lose it. Where's it gone? So it's pinned to the top, and then I'll export all the names in about 10 minutes, and then we'll do a random name picker, as well as trying to buy gold here as well. If there's 5 reflips back bullish, you know, we can look for something like this, because this is also now re-grab the lows. I just don't like when I don't like it when it flips in the first 5 minutes of the hourly though. You're trying to target up into here. This would be break-even point. Let's see. Let me see if I can get some of the futures. Futures does have a top wick as well. So on the futures, we'll be looking around. Take the flip of the body around like 34.2. 34.2. Which is the flip of the body. This 5 minute reflips back bullish. We could have some longs on gold to continue pushing up. Because the hourly's closed nice and bullish. You got an instant bottom wick. If you re-break these lows, you may come down more. But like I say, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Right now, to me, the hourly's still closed bullish. I don't really want to be shorting against that just yet. But if you do break these lows, yeah, you could short gold to maybe come down into there.
I just got tagged in 3 ticks away from the flip.
Really?
Yeah, top step.
I didn't. On X?
Yeah, top step X.
Weird, I didn't. I'm not in. I got my 34.2.
Yeah, that's literally where I've been tagged in, 34.2.
Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I haven't. That's mental. That's quite. How many pips is that? 3?
I'm sitting at -4 now. Instantly.
Yeah, it's annoying, man. I'm about to be tagged in. Let's see. Keep stops tight. Stops are only going to be less than 10 ticks. If it doesn't flip in this current 5, I will cancel. I still haven't been tagged in here. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. It's crazy you got tagged in. I didn't. Yeah, that's annoying, man. I've only got 20 seconds. If it doesn't flip in this 5, I will cancel. That area is still valid. I just want to see, because you've still got the flip of the hourly. Hourly's still going to come up and create a top wick, likely anyway. 2 seconds. Nah, cancel. I'm waiting. In the giveaway, nice. Ever trade crude? I have swung traded it before. Swung traded it. But not for scalping. I don't really like the way it moves. Alright, you guys on Zoom, YouTube, I'm going to do the giveaway in about 5 minutes, so make sure to fill in the form. I'll export all the names, and then we'll do it. Yeah, there's no top wick on this hourly on the currency here at all. Nah, I won't be trading unemployment claims today, man. Unlikely. Give me 2 minutes, guys. Run to the toilet, and then we'll see this close here on gold. Still pushing down. 2 seconds. Oh, sorry, audio was off. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, I was saying I'll do the giveaway in about 5 minutes. I just want to see if we're gonna get these longs on gold. I want to do the giveaway, but I also don't want to miss these buys. So just give it 5 more minutes. We'll see how this closes, and we'll see if we can get this. Five minutes going to close. This 5 minute close is bullish. Bottom wick of the next 5. I'm going to look for some longs. Longs all the way up into this liquidity. Break even point will be here, but we're targeting all the way back up here on gold. And now you have a decent, because this has now grabbed the lows, held the support. You have a decent stop loss here now. You re-break that low, you're going to come much lower, so you don't need to have any stops anywhere lower than that now. So let's see, 27 seconds. We'll see if we get a bottom wick and get these longs. Let's see. Where's the targets? 25. Oh, 7.5. Bottom wick a little bit more. Let's see if we get these longs here on gold. How big are the stops? Stops are gonna be 14 ticks. Yeah, I'm gonna have a. I've got a buy on the break of this high here on gold. 2 contracts here on the futures. If this 5 can reflip back bullish, risk of the previous 5 low, and we'll see if we can drive this. I'm keeping stops tight just below here. Only risking about 14 ticks. I want to see if this can have this nice push. As soon as we grab these highs, I will look to manage as well. But this Audi's now starting to reflip back bullish. So if this 5, even if this 5 doesn't close bullish, I'll probably manage as well. I want to see this 5, after it's grabbed the lows, close bullish, I want to see this 5 continue. If it doesn't continue, you may just range in between here. So kind of to see this 5-minute close. As soon as we get out this trade as well, I'll do the giveaway. How many people we got? 134 responses. Look at that. Amazing. Yeah, I got tagged as well. Yeah, I tagged my futures. Got a pretty decent entry, to be honest. I'm trying to target much higher. Yeah. Looking at this 30 though, the 30 does look like it may pull back. So if we don't drive, yeah, I can see the 30 wicking a little bit more, but we're trading what we see for now. Trading what we see, because you look at the 30 here. This 30 could easily come down and grab some of these lows. That's why keeping stops below this current 5 low is good, because if you break this low, you're going to come much lower. So you don't need stops any lower than that. What are we in? 2 minutes 40. To be honest, if we actually come that low, yeah. If we come even near that previous 5 low, yeah. My stop on the futures is at 33.3. I'm only risking 10 ticks. I wanted to see this drive. Doesn't drive, I'll cut it at 10 and wait, because that 30 could bottom wick a little bit more. My fill on the futures was perfect there. I'm in right at the body, right at the flip of the body. How long we got to this 5 close? 1 minute. Even if this 5-minute closes doji, I will be getting out the trade. I want to see this 5-minute close with good volume. Bring stocks up a little bit. Wait. If you come down to create a new low on this current 5 in the next 1 minute, you may come down a little bit lower. So soon, I may just go below this current 5 low. Let's see. Yeah, you got 1 more minute. If this 5 was going to drive, I think we would have done it already. So my stop is going in below this current 5 low. I'm risking 5 ticks on this trade. I would have wanted to see this drive already, but as it's not driving, we will manage risk accordingly. How long we got? 40 seconds now. I'm closing. I just closed at break even there. I closed at break even. We're not driving. If this 5 was going to drive, we would have done it already. So I closed at break even, minus 20. If the next 5 gives a bottom wick, great. But with these liquidity grabs, you grab the lows, then flip bullish, and start to stall. that's not how our best trades play out. So we'll give it another chance. Maybe if the next 5 bottom wicks and has some better volume. Let me post that in Discord 2 seconds. 5-minute closing doji. Oh, there you go. Instant top wick, typical. All right, let's do the giveaway, guys. Let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. I'll take the break even there. Let's wait. Let me go. All the names are in. All right, let me export. No more responses. Right, let me export all the names into a spreadsheet. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna have to grab everyone's. Where are we here? James, 2 entries, naughty. All right, here. And we're gonna go random name picker. I should probably screen record this. I always think people are gonna think I'm being a furu, but I can't share my screen of me doing it because this has everyone's email and this goes against all privacy regulations. So what I'll do is, to prove it's legit, I will screenshot it and send it to, how can I do it without showing everyone's email? How can I do it without showing everyone's email? It's gonna show everyone's. Goldie's fucking still pushing here. How do I do it? Well, I'll screenshot and I'll show it to you. I'll block them out just so you guys can see everyone's in. Wait, what? How did that just happen? I must have copied. Let me see how I can hide these. I must have copied. Let me show you guys on Zoom. I'll show it to you guys on YouTube as well. But I've clearly just messed it up because it's just selected the winner as Instagram. So I've obviously copied the name Instagram like an idiot. How can I show you guys on... I know how I can do it. Wait there, wait there, wait there, wait there. Alright, let's try again. I must have had Instagram in there. We'll try it again. They're very small. It'll be fine. And I'll quickly flick back. There we go. Alright. Woo. Is that you, Woo, from Zoom?
Yeah, Chow boy.
Chow, you just won the... There he is. Chow, you just won the 50k Top Step Combine giveaway. 50k Combine giveaway, man. I'll drop you a message after this. Congrats, man. Good job. 50k Combine. Coming your way. Coming your way. Good job, man. Well done. You guys on YouTube, we'll do this. We got one every single month until the end of the year. So we got plenty more coming. Good job to all you guys who entered. Well done to Chow for winning that 50k giveaway as well. Fixed. Yeah, it was rigged. I secretly picked him. This is all pre-recorded. Even what you're hearing now is pre-recorded. Let me. Chow, drop me a message on Instagram, man. Yeah, congrats, man. Good job. You guys on YouTube will do one of these every single month leading up till Christmas. Every single month. You're still in the long? Nice. Yeah, if you're still in the longs, well done. There's no bottom wick on the 5. So where was our long from here? It's hitting 15, but you definitely want to be break even because there's no bottom wick on this 5. This could be, as soon as you grab these highs, that's our break even point. But I am out of that. But yeah, good job, Chow. We'll send you the details after this, man. We'll get that 50k free combine on Top Step. Good job, man. Let me get rid of this form. Form is done. And good job to all you guys who who entered as well. Plenty more to come. Last month in Discord we did the trading monitor giveaway. This month we've just done the trading combine, and then we'll be doing another combine next month as well. So good job to you guys who entered. Plenty more to come. Everyone's just dipped now as well. Everyone's so they don't win and just dipped. Holding with a tight stop. Yeah, nice. Yeah, if you're in this yet, break even for sure. I'm not in this anymore. I am looking for a re-entry. I just want to see. They kind of had a weird little gap up here. No bottom wick. Do you pass it through as well? If only. The Discord link's floating around somewhere, man. There's no free Discord group though. If you're looking for a free Discord group, I don't have one. I have a free Telegram group, but I don't use it very much. Yeah, everyone dipped. What the hell? Yeah, I took it at minus on my tops. It was actually like minus 20. Oh, let me move this back. I got minus 20. Yeah, I do, Harry. Yeah, I like Costa, man. He's good. He's a good dude. Yeah, it makes sense though. See if you're trading above or below it. You ripped above it when we see that big push in London as well. But yeah, if anyone is in this trade, still in this trade, yeah, just make sure you got risk off the table, because like I say, to me this 30 could easily still pull back a little bit and grab some lows. But if you are in and you're break even, good job. Someone didn't just ask that, did they? Yeah, I know. Chow, how did you scam that? I need your... Just took my 13 ticks. Yeah, nice. Good job. 13 ticks is good, especially after such a big move. Chow, I'll message you on Instagram, Discord right now. No, I'm joking. This is what I need, Chow. I need these details from you, man, and then we'll Top Step will send you over the details for the account. Did it hit 13 that quick? Yeah, nice. Yeah. Telegram link. Telegram link. You can just send it here, man. You can send it on Discord. I want to see us come down, grab these lows, kind of fill in this little candle that has no wick, and see if we can still get the longs. Because you're still, I still believe anyone who is, like we said, anyone who is shorting gold here, their stops are going to be above this liquidity level. I think that's going to be a nice retail trap. Bank details. He's not an ICT trade. Nah, he's actually in the Discord group. He's in our Discord. He came on the past retreats as well, actually. But yeah, we'll do one of them. Like I say, guys, every single month here on YouTube until Christmas time, leading up to Christmas. which I can't believe I'm even saying. I don't know where this year's gone. I know, it's kind of painful, isn't it? Alright, there we go, ciao. I got it, man. I'll send that over to TopStep and they'll send you an email, man, with all the details. Is that TopStep username definitely right? Because that's how they'll link it to you. Hell no. Absolutely not. Yeah, it's just a 1 month for free. So if you can pass it, great. If not, and you want to continue it, you can. If you don't, it's entirely up to you. First month's free. After that, it's entirely up to you. Well, ideally you pass it by then. Smash out the funding, and you got a free funded account. Yeah, giveaways already happened, unfortunately, man. But there'll be plenty more, man. Plenty more. Not today, but in the future. Every single month we'll do these, man. We just did it. No bottom wick on this current 5, so I can't even re-enter here. This is also the open of the 15. So unfortunately, I am not in this. No bottom wick on the 15 is kind of a bit meh. The next giveaway, I'll announce it on Instagram. I'll announce it on Instagram, man. And we'll do it here on stream again. How's this 30 looking on gold? Trying to push higher. I'm surprised there's no bottom wick on this current 15. You just kind of had this little gap up and just push, which is not something I would trade. So to see it push up from here, yeah, it's not really my trade. It's not ideal, but it's not our plan to try and trade these little gap ups. There's no bottom wick on the 15, so I mean, if the next 15 in 2 minutes can come down, create that bottom wick here, and then push, great. That would be my trade. From YouTube, man, we did a form. Everyone put in their name and email address, and then we spun the wheel and we picked it. Cheers, boss. Appreciate it. Yeah, no worries, man. Good job. Are you still? Some of you guys still in the longs? Well done if you did. So annoying because if we had just gone break even, so closing at break even, we would have somehow actually survived that. Your target's all the way back up here. You guys still in? Well done. Nice. Some of you guys still in. Good job. Good job. If you got a little bit of delay when I said go to break even or close at break even, yeah, if you just gone break even, you actually would have been sorted. I closed at break even, unfortunately. Narrowly missed my stop. Yeah, good job. If you're still in, you want to be holding up into these highs. That's an easy target for you. An easy target, and that's about 30 ticks. Easy. Got tagged to break even by 2 pips. It's horrible, man. Horrible. 2507. Yeah, pretty much. All I'm really looking at is these highs here to be grabbed. As soon as you grab these highs, I mean, I never set a hard TP, but as soon as you grab these highs, yeah, you want to be closing like 90%, 80%. Once you break these highs, you could push up more. So as long as you lock in something at these highs, like I said, anyone who's selling gold here, anyone who was selling on these hourly rejections, stops are above this high. Anyone who was trying to short third touch of this trend line here, stops are above these highs. So yeah, as soon as you liquidate these highs here, take some partials. And if you want to hold the trade more, because you know this 4 hour could still push up, yep, you absolutely can. It's a shame there was no bottom wick on the 15 to give us a re-entry. If the range was big enough, I would flip this current 5, but it's just not now, unfortunately. There's also a bottom wick on the 30 here as well. The area for me to flip this is just too small. It's 10 ticks. I don't need 10 ticks. But we are, yeah, we're creeping our way up. We're trying to get to these highs. It's very rare to see a little gap up with no bottom wick on the 15 and to keep pushing. Which makes me think, once we grab these highs... Remember, you look at gold on the daily. Once we liquidate these daily highs, where's our next liquidity level? And what are we doing before NFP? We're wicking out daily highs before NFP. With a very nice double bottom down here. With not much of a bottom wick on this daily. So, you know, if you wick these highs and then, you know, if this daily comes up, wicks these highs where we got our buys and then closes below this level here, you have a lot of room to the downside as well. Same as if this daily closes back above this level, bottom wick and you got buys into all-time highs. Two very large areas, very, very large areas. But these daily highs is, yeah, what I've been trying to buy into all week. It's easy to see these rips down and be like, damn, you know, why didn't Aaron take these shorts? Or see this, why didn't Aaron take the shorts? And this is the whole reason why I didn't take any of that downside. This huge, huge liquidity level. So 30's just closed bullish, can kind of confirmed a little fake out into an instant bottom wick. Could we still get room for some longs? 10 ticks, not really. We don't really try and scalp 10 ticks. Sometimes, you know, you may take 10 ticks out of a trade, but if the maximum you can make out of the trade is 10 ticks, then yeah, risk reward is just not there. Imagine a lot of people will be jumping in shorts here, though. See what Tilt's saying. Top step Tilt. 60. Where are we? 63% people long on gold right now, 37 short. If you see them sellers pick up around that area, you're going to see some big grabs. Seems like most of the top step people are actually on the right side, which is good. Which is good. Oh yeah, Chris, honestly, man, wouldn't surprise me. It would be crazy, but it honestly wouldn't surprise me. You could easily see this liquidity get respected. It seems crazy and unlikely, but I've seen it so much with news. You could see this whole, you know, this liquidity level get respected before news, come all the way back down, leave that perfect double top, and then news is what absolutely rips it. I've had it so many times where I've been in trades before news, you know, in a session before news, and you're like, oh, we're going to rip these highs. You start taking longs here, we end up coming all the way back down. And then it takes the news to actually rip it. But you know, if it does do that, that's also fine, because then we have a great sense of direction for news and great news buying opportunities. So if it did pull back from here and left these highs, to be honest, I would like that more, because then I would just look for big longs down here, which would give you a really big play, a really big play. So if we do leave these highs before news and we start pulling back, great. News buys up into, you know, 25.10 is a very, very nice trade. A very nice trade. So to be honest, yeah, if we do start dipping down from here, that would be great. Yeah, clear entry, absolutely. You've broken out. You come back down. You have perfect targets. You got volume. Absolutely, it would be a great level. Like I say, I would be surprised, but you know what news does. No, someone who does 10 tick trades, 100 pips that was. Yeah, you got here today, 1:15 London time, ADP non-farm employment changes, NFP tomorrow, unemployment claims, and then services PMI as well. And then tomorrow, obviously, the big one, NFP Fridays. If you survived this week and made money this week on NFP week, good job. This is the week where most people blow up. NFP week. The top step link is automatic on there now, man. It's automatic. As long as you accept cookies, it's automatically applied. It's always on there with them now. It was before the constant sales were ongoing. It's true. It wouldn't be the first time called surprises. Yeah, it's very true. Very true. So trying to come back down here. This is good though. I like it to leave. Like if we left these highs, you're also leaving 2 hourly equal highs. So if you then came back down, grab the hourly lows, buys from anywhere either below that hourly low or below that hourly low, once you grab the lows and hold it, would be great. Like I'd actually really like to see that, because I would blow it up on some big longs. ADP, it's so today you get like the estimated earnings numbers, sorry, then tomorrow full numbers. I'm up 2k for the week. Good job, man. Yep. We'll be back on Top Step TV next month, hopefully as well. Yeah, if you just take longs now. Because you're going to rip these highs there, but if you take longs now, into here, you got about 20 ticks. As long as your stop loss is below August lows, yeah, you should be pretty good. Alright guys, TP1 just got hit here. Stops the break even. Where is it? Let me just drag this up. Quite far away. Yep. TP1 hit. Get them W's in there. TP2 hit, close full. Cheers guys, see you next time. See you guys next week. Hey, I didn't say any names. I didn't say anything. What would you do if Sorry, man, you're super quiet.
If you're in from 33.4, obviously be at break even now, but would you just be sitting back waiting to see if it'll hit, even though it's stalling a lot?
Yeah, it's kind of worth it, man. Because if you can, yeah. Are you still in from from this one?
Yeah.
What are you looking at? Yeah, to be honest, like, you're at 14. Yeah, for me, it's not really worth securing at 14. I would rather hold these highs or nothing or break even. I'd be happy with the break even, because it's such a good long that, you know, you could close it now, but it's like 17 ticks. The chance of us ripping these highs are much higher than us coming down. So for me, yeah, I would just hold it. I would hold it, man. It's a good entry that, yeah, either TP at 30 or yeah, break even. I think is a smart decision there. It's a shame I couldn't get in it. The 5 minutes grab belows and close bullish into an instant bottom wick. What do you have? That's an instant bottom wick. If it was more, if it was more, this is pretty much the exact same thing we did down here. You grab the lows, close bullish, instant bottom wick. Grab the lows, close bullish, instant bottom wick, and then pushed. If the range was big enough, I would just take longs here. Stops are down there, but my target's there, so. Yeah, if you are still in from our original entry, yeah, I would just hold to these highs. When I start mam account, never. I don't want that pressure. I couldn't deal with that pressure. unless I get some juicy commissions. Never say never. No, I'm joking. No, I'd never do it. I couldn't do the pressure of trading other people's money.
Sounds like you got commissions off Chow for that giveaway.
Yeah, I'd take commissions off Chow, that's about it. Yeah, I've had family members ask to trade capital for them as well, but it's trading stressful enough. Trading stressful enough. I couldn't trade other people's money. Pressure would get to me. I say trading is very hard enough. And that's the thing. There's been loads of skepticism about it being some sort of dodgy deal with Blueberry Markets, but it's extremely unlikely that that's the case. Extremely unlikely. I do think, you know, like I said last time, one of my friends, Joe, explained it pretty well. Like, Blueberry should have some sort of accountability. Someone who did accept that. You know, no one should be able to just open up a MAM account. Like, you should have qualifications and years of experience and proof to ever be able to offer something like that. Or you do legally. You have to have legal qualifications to trade other people's money. So I don't know how you can just go onto there and open it like that. You know, like I say, which is surprising because I've been on, you know, Blueberry Markets for a long time, and for me they're fantastic. So to see when that, you know, people are saying on things about Blueberry Markets, it's extremely unlikely. They're regulated in Australia, and if anyone knows anything about Australian regulations, it would never be some sort of deal where they go, oh, here you go. Here's 3 mil, take the money and run. Like, that's just never going to happen. But yeah, it's still pretty, yeah. Whoever approved it and thought it was a good idea, yeah, there should be some sort of accountability for sure. I still don't think it was deliberate though. I'm pretty confident. I mean, I don't know Donvo personally, but I'm pretty confident it wouldn't be deliberate. It is stupid, yeah, but I don't think it's deliberate. Stupid's one way to put it. That's putting it lightly. I know, man. Everyone came for the giveaway and dipped. Five minutes kind of getting pretty ugly here as well. 15 is about to close doji, so unless we come down, grab some lows, which would be that little gap there, I'll look for longs again. Surprised you haven't just ripped the highs already, kind of stalling around here. More people probably load up shorts. Nah, I know, Jack, I know, it's crazy, man. It just doesn't make sense. It's so out of character. That's why it's like so hard to believe. That's why I was kind of gutted when I saw it happen. It just doesn't make sense. I've watched Don Vo loads of times. I used to love watching his New York streams just in the background whilst I was trading. It shared so much value, but yeah, it's just so out of character to do something like that. That's why it just still kind of crazy to me. Close one contract, 17 ticks. Yeah, good job, man. Good job, Sean. Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, I think it's just more so little volume because you've already had this huge rip today. There's a 120 tick push up in London. It's gonna, even if that was New York, it would create a big range before having the continuation. Yeah, I heard what happened there. It was crazy. Crazy. Like I say, it's just to take 300 trades in one day. Like he's traded on YouTube for like what 3+ years or something like that, and never once got on tilt like that. That's why it's just so surprising. It just doesn't make sense. Yeah, but that's what it looked like, a bot. But yeah, it's again, I've just never known him to trade with a bot. So why would you all of a sudden start using a bot with that much money? It just doesn't make sense. It's crazy. It's crazy. Yeah, he needs to come out. He needs to come out and say something. Yeah, you got to address it. Yeah, you can't just lose a couple mil of people's money and not say anything. That's what's also so crazy. Which I'm sure he probably will. Nah, you can't take all the money. Not on blueberry markets, man. They're regulated in Australia. He had zero access to that money. He may have got some decent commissions, but the money itself, nah, he got zero access to that money. There's literally no way. I'm not justifying what happened by any means. I think it's terrible, but there's no way blueberry market said here's the money. They're regulated in Australia. Blueberry markets would never get away with that. There's that push on Goldie. Fortunately, if you guys did hold into that highs, our buys from here should have just held. Ended up hitting our TP 30 ticks. I should have been a little bit more patient. Just put my stops to break even instead of closing. Close full 27 ticks. Yeah, nice work, man. Good job. Good job. Yeah, if you guys did hold that, well done. Unfortunately, this was our original trade. Got out that at break even. Yeah, ended up hitting the liquidity beautifully. With an instant top wick on the 15 as well. Yeah, why would you send your lives? Yeah, exactly. I mean, what's that rule 1 of trading? Don't risk more than what you can afford to lose. I mean, obviously you don't expect to lose it in one day. Of course not, but who puts $50,000 or $100,000 in someone on YouTube? Like, it's crazy. So yeah, liquidity's been hit there, guys. So now that we've grabbed these highs, these are the 4-hour highs that we've been speaking about all week. Now you could actually start to pull back on gold. Now that you've liquidated these major highs, anyone who was selling that major trend line we spoke about, anyone who was selling here, stops are above these highs, well, they've now all been liquidated. And they've been liquidated before news, which is pretty interesting. I'll show you guys what we were looking at on the hourly, what we've been talking about all week is this was the trend line coming down. This was the place people short the third touch of the trend line. Where does their stop loss go? Just above the second touch. What did that second touch also happen to be? A perfect double top. So anyone who was trying to swing these sells down on gold, stops are above these highs. They've now all just been stopped out. They've all just been stopped out before the news. So could gold, now pull back into these daily lows all the way down here? Yeah, possible. Very, very possible. Very possible. Yeah, no, yeah, I'd prefer gold, man. Yeah, gold moves a lot cleaner and consistent. 16 ticks close full. Yeah, well done, man. Good job. Good job. If you guys held that, well done. I don't know why I closed at break even there. Supposed to just go into break even, but is what it is. I was extra cautious because we already took these buys up, but yeah. we had our original longs from down here. If we just waited for the close, we could have actually, surprisingly, would have actually survived. No bottom wick on the 15. That was our original buy. Full TP at them highs, 30 ticks. But yeah, like I say, now that we are grabbing them highs, it'll be very interesting to see what news is going to do for the rest of the week. Close early from London session, 110 ticks. Amazing, Jay. Well done. Amazing. Incredible trade. Phenomenal trade. So now my thought process is here on gold. If we start breaking down, we may hang around a little bit longer. But now you've grabbed this liquidity that we've been talking about literally all week, and you guys are probably sick of me talking about it. Now that we've actually grabbed these highs, we could easily start to pull back to here now. You know, before then, down here, do we go high or do we break below? Who knows? Who cares? But now that we've grabbed these highs, if this hourly respects and closes doji, top wick of the next hour, sells on gold. Sells on gold. You got a lot of 30-minute lows to come and grab here. 2 equal lows, 3 equal lows. So if you grab these highs, this 30 closes doji, the next hourly top wick, respect this liquidity high. And yep, you could see that pullback. So I'm interested to see where news was going to go. I don't actually have a real bias on gold unless there's daily wicks all the way back down. You know, if we get a 4-hour close on gold back below this level, you got shorts all the way down into 24.70, and that's a perfect double bottom as well. And that's also, I think it's a weekly, yeah, weekly double bottom as well. Kind of got 2 weekly equal highs, 2 weekly equal lows. Oh, my internet just gone? What's going on? Just got hacked there or something. Very good London session, 110. Yep. Good work, man. Good work. Oh no, sorry, 1,100. That's amazing, man. Amazing. Amazing work. That's me on the day, 2,200 on the day. What screen are we on? This one? No, this one. So yeah, that's my plan for the rest of the day, guys. We wick these highs and close bearish. Even gold to come back down and test 2,500 is beautiful. Good work, dude. Thank you, man. Good work to you too. 1,100 is in a London session is amazing, man. Well done. Remember, you got NFP tomorrow. If you guys did get this rip up here, you want to end your week early with NFP tomorrow. It's a pretty smart decision. How many times do people get positive on the week before NFP, then NFP comes out and they blow it all? It's pretty high. There you go, a little runner out. Yeah, I'm very glad to see these highs being grabbed. Like I say, I missed out on these whole dips down all because of this liquidity. You know, could I still have scalped some of this down? Yeah, definitely. But I was just more so sticking to my overall thought process that I won't go against my plan and will not sell until these highs have been grabbed. But now these highs have been grabbed, boom, I would could potentially take a very big move. And I've had this move up. You know, whereas most people see this move down, FOMO in, try and sell from here, stops above there, gets stopped out. Try jumping more short, sells here, stops above there, gets stopped out. And then they all of a sudden think trading's a scam. But you just don't understand the plan. I didn't mean to start rapping there. Yeah, nice one, Brett. Enjoy, man. I'm just waiting for this 30-minute close, waiting for this hourly. Let's see if we can get some potentially big sells here on gold. The start of the sells, anyway. It does. You grab the liquidity. You've got, not liquidity target. I mean, liquidity targets are all the way down here. If we do get that on NFP tomorrow, man, that would be huge. Because look at the monthly here on gold. To be fair, that's a steep monthly wick already, considering we're only 4 trading days in. That's huge. Going to do 1 AM here. Yeah, all good, man. See you next time. Yeah, absolutely, Sean. Them ones as well, man. Them ones, if I'm not on stream, I take and set my alerts and go walk away. It's the best ones to manage them as well. If you're ever stuck in them ones on your own, you know, and your break even is just creeping up, but your break even, your risks on the table, you got your targets, yeah, set an alert here, and yeah, go walk away. Gonna end the day early and positive. Yeah, good job, Brad. Enjoy, man. See you next time. Good trading, very good trading. Only trade London. I only stream London. But I could trade Asia, London, a little bit of New York. We do the market calls in Discord every single day for the Asian and pre-New York session as well. We're always active in every session as well, which is good. I'm pretty much active in Discord for every session, to be honest. I'm not saying that so you guys think, oh my god, he's trying to sell me on Discord. I don't care what you guys do. I'm just saying we are extremely active in every session. I don't really trade, you know, specific sessions per se. If gold's moving, I want to be in it, I'm in it. I never really say to myself, like, oh, you know, it's not really my session. I don't know whether to trade gold right now. If gold's moving and gold's breaking out and my alerts are going off and I have targets, I'm trading it. I'm trading it. This 15 could be really huge here. This 15 wicks out these highs and closes bearish. Yeah, we may actually hang around for a little bit longer. I'm getting hungry though. Because look at that hourly now. It's literally come up, wicked out the previous hourly highs, grabbed this perfect liquidity, and instantly selling off. So you want this next hourly top wick, and pull back. And you can have a very nice short. Yeah, it's good, Chris. It's good, man. It's good. I mean, you know, even just a little, you know, even if gold was going to still rip to all-time highs, you know, say if gold was still would have the push all the way up into here, are we just going to do it from here? It's unlikely, you know, we'd expect you'd pull back, grab some liquidity before seeing that big move. So even just to pull back into these little lows for an intraday trade, well, from up here, top wick down there, that's still a 50-tick correction. You know, still a good trade. You grab the liquidity. You've got liquidity targets. Resistance level to come down and retest. It's a very nice grab and a potential breakout coming in 2 minutes. Let's see, Sean. Let's see, man. Yeah, I like that, man. I like that. I like that. You got that coming up on 5 minute. Yeah, I like that. People jumping in long, stop's going to be down here. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, it would be nice, man. It would be nice. Nice if we can catch it together. So because this is now a liquidity low here, you re-break this low, you can see that pullback. There'd be no fucking point trading. I like that. If this hourly does actually just close bullish, then I'll probably wait for maybe the next hourly to close doji. So let's see. Yeah, it's pretty strong 5-minute close there, guys. So we can't really short that now. Remember, we've been overall bullish today, so we don't want to jump the gun too early. But I also don't really want to be a buyer up here, because you have still failed to close above the previous hourly high, wicked out the liquidity. So I reckon we wait for this next hour to close, and I would expect this hourly may re-grab the highs one more time and then close doji, and then then we can short the next hour for a little pullback. So you guys on Zoom, good session today. Big rip up pre-London. Unfortunately came without us, but still called them multiple other buys up. So good job if you guys did take it. And I'll update you guys in about an hour. I'm going to wait for this hourly close, see how it closes, and I'll see you guys on Zoom for the pre-New York market call. Cheers, guys. Talk to you soon. And good job, Chow, on the 50k giveaway. Talk to you guys soon. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye. All right, YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there. You had a huge push up today on gold. It was an amazing trade, an amazing push. We spoke about this liquidity for a long time, so to see it finally get grabbed is amazing. So now I'm going to wait for this next hour to close. If it closes doji, re-grabs the highs, great. You can have some potential shorts on gold for the rest of the day. But for now, yeah, just leave it. Appreciate you guys taking time to tune in. If you guys are new here, remember, drop a little like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Trade safe, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.